2016 solid papers. See the question. 22.4 liters of hydrogen is mixed with 11.2 liters of chlorine. Each at HCP, the moles of HCl formed is equal to. Question clear? Now, just you read the equation. Hydrogen plus chlorine is gives us 2HCl. Hydrogen given 20.4 liters. Chlorine given 11.2. See, according to the balancing equation, 1 mole of hydrogen react with 1 mole of chlorine, produce 2 moles of HCl. Here, hydrogen is 1 mole is there, but chlorine is half mole is there. So the product is depend on the chlorine. According to the balancing equation, if chlorine is 1 mole is there, HCl forming 2 moles. That means double. Here chlorine is half mole, so HCl will be formed double. That means 1 mole. So option A is the correct. You can see here. Next question number 2. 1 gram of magnesium is burned with 0.56 gram of oxygen in a closed vessel. Which reactant is left in excess and how much? Again, is also depend on the limiting reagent. So first you write the equation. Magnesium plus oxygen is given as to magnesium oxide. These are the give values. 1 gram magnesium, 0.5 gram oxygen. But according to the balancing equation, 24 grams of magnesium react with 16 grams of oxygen. Now, you calculate for 1 gram of oxygen how much magnesium is required. 1.5 gram is required. Now, for 0.56, how much magnesium required? For 0.5, 0.85 is required. But given 1 gram, so magnesium is excess. So how much excess? 1 minus 0.5. That means approximately 0.16 grams excess. See, option is the correct answer. Next, mixture of gases contain hydrogen and oxygen. Gases in the ratio of 1:4. What is the molar ratio of the two gases in the mixture? Oxygen are in 1:4 mass ratio. Now we have to calculate moles ratio. Mole equal to mass by molar mass. Now I am taking 1:4. Mass is there, divide with their molar mass. So 1/2, that is 4 by 32. To make it equal, the denominator, what I did here, I multiplied with 16 as divided. So 16:4. The smallest ratio is 4:1. You can see the option 4:1 is the third question. So A is the answer. Is it clear?